Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Sorry for being gone for so long. In the past few weeks, Thomas and I are moving into our new apartment, and in the midst of all that, I came down with a cold. I'm finally feeling a little bit better. I have been really inspired lately by all of these videos that I've seen of people mixing their products together. I think this trend was started by Safiyas. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that right. She is another YouTuber here, and I will leave her link in the description. She mixes like her foundations together, she mixes all of her highlighters together, her lipsticks, etc. to come up with one Franken product, as she likes to call it. I have a couple of hair coloring videos here on my channel, and I have a bunch of hair dye here. I have, hang on, I gotta count them. 13 hair dyes here. These are all L'Oreal Coloristas. They are semi-permanent. I was going more for a semi-commitment and not a fully commitment. This is a clear mixer, so we'll take this one out of here. That just dilutes your hair dyes so they're not as colorful or vivid. I think we're only going to end up using, hang on, I gotta count again because I have short-term memory. 11 of them. I have some Color Brilliance here. This is the color Rose, and this is the color Titanium. I feel like Titanium will kind of ruin the color. It'll wash it out and make it very grayish. So I'm just gonna stick to the L'Oreal Coloristas. My boyfriend got sent all of these in PR by them, and I actually, if you watch my last video where I dyed my hair pink, I used this one right here, which is the soft pink hair dye. These wash out in about 3 washes, so they don't last very long. And I also have a hair color remover right here if I'm not ready to commit to whatever color comes out of this. I'm hoping it comes out like a burgundy-ish color. I'm afraid it's gonna come out like a poop green because we have so many different colors here. We have like teals, purples, blues, reds, pinks, a burgundy. There's a lot of reds and blues. So I'm interested to see what's gonna come out of this. Thomas and I actually just did a video today where we mix all of his highlighters together. If you wanna check that out, it will be on his channel by the time this video is uploaded. So I will leave a link to his channel as well. All right, so let's just get right into it. I have this mixing bowl right here, and then a brush, and also some gloves. I'm gonna put on the gloves. So we got our gloves on, and basically what we're going to be doing is mixing all of these hair dyes together right here. There's 11 of them, and I'm actually going to dye my hair with this and not some extensions. So the first thing we're going to go into is peach, and we are just going to pop that open and squirt a little bit. My hair is very short, so I don't need a whole lot, because I feel like we're gonna have plenty of hair dye, and I'm probably gonna be wasting a whole bunch, but I just put a small amount in there. And the next one is soft pink. This is the hair color that I used in my last video to dye my hair pink. I really love this one. I'm probably gonna go back to this one after. I'm looking for a more permanent hair dye, because these only last a few washes, as I said. So if you guys know of any good hair brands, then please let me know in the comments below. I've heard really great things about Arctic Fox and Lime Crime, but I'm kind of scared to try Lime Crime after all of their controversy they had around their brand recently. The next one is pink. This one is unopened. Ooh. I should probably get a box cutter. We're just gonna use this. I'm gonna squirt a little bit of that in there. Hopefully you guys can see this. Okay, so there's that. Next one is Burgundy. Alright, so we're at 4 so far, and the next one we're gonna go into is purple. Alright, so the next one is Tangerine, another reddish pink color. Oh my god, that's a really pretty color. I kind of want to try this one day. It's teal. Straight up red. I'm hoping this is enough, because I only have 3 left and it doesn't look like there's very much hair dye in here. Maybe we'll get lucky. All right, so the next one we're going into is blue. Yes. And then we have indigo. Indigo. You guys, I've always wanted to have colored hair. I'm so used to having like retail and fast food jobs where I'm doing customer service and I can't have colored hair for some reason. I don't get it. I don't get why the color of your hair determines your integrity in a job. But yeah, I've been working since I was 16 and I can never have colored hair, so it is so fun to finally try colored hair. And I feel like I'm going all out now with mixing all of my hair dyes together. All right, so this one is aqua, by the way. Aqua. It's like a greenish teal. Yes. Alright, so here is all of them mixed. I feel like I got pretty equal proportions of everything. And we are just going to mix all of those together. Oh my god, it looks red. Alright, so I don't know if you guys could see this, but it looks like a burgundy color. It looks very pretty. So I'm not too worried. I'm actually going to change my shirt and I will be right back. Alright, so I put on a shirt that I don't mind getting hair color on. Alright, let's just do this. I'm a little bit scared. No, I don't want to do it. Okay. Alright. That's actually kind of a pretty color, I guess. I'm trying to be optimistic. This is my lazy hair dyeing method. I just kind of like rub it in. I mean, this isn't too bad. I feel like this is a hair color that they actually sell in the stores. So I can't see what I'm doing in the back, but I'm just hoping for the best. Wait, actually, I have an idea. So actually what I'm gonna do, okay, this kind of works. Okay, this is like really hard. I don't know where I'm at. Okay, let's just... Please excuse my armpit hair. Well. Okay, I'm actually gonna go do this in the bathroom and I'll be right back. So I barely had enough to cover my whole head. I was literally scraping out whatever I can. I thought the back of my head was gonna be a whole different color because I don't think I can mix the same color again. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for 30 minutes as the directions say, and then I'm going to wash it out and I'll be right back and I'll show you guys the final color. So far, I don't think this is a very bad color. You know, it's not my kind of thing, but I feel like for some people, this would be a really cute color. Okay, well, let's leave this on for 30 minutes and I will be right back to show you guys the final result. Why did I do that? Oh my god. Wow. What a waste. I'm so mad at myself. Alright you guys, so I rinsed out the hair dye and I also blow dried my hair. I didn't put any product in it, so it is a little bit poofy, but are you guys ready for the reveal? Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Something really interesting happened. It's like different colors in different spots. Even though I mixed the hair dye for a really long time, I really made sure to mix all of the colors up into one color. But it looks like the way it applied on my hair is it applied different colors in different spots, because as you can see, the top is more red. I don't know if it's just the lighting. I don't know if it will change in certain lighting, but the sides look more like a purple indigo. The sides look like a purple indigo. The top looks like a burgundy red. It has like spots of pink. I haven't seen the back yet. Okay. Wow. Do you see that? It's like purple right here and red. I'm so confused.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
It's very interesting. I can't wait to get this out. I don't think I would keep this on my head for a week or so. I'm actually probably going to use the color remover, but I am shook, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of this hair color and this experiment. Alright, so all of these hair dyes mixed together made this. Alright, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and this experiment, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already following me on all of my social media platforms, then I will leave them right here and also down in the description. Please make sure to follow me, and also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I thought this video was really fun to make, and I kind of want to do more videos like this. Let me know if you guys have any other video ideas I should do in the future. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, I would love to have you as part of our family. Also, thank you guys so much for 5,000 subscribers. This is a big milestone. It really means a lot that you guys enjoy my content and you guys enjoy supporting me. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.